Introducing the AI Holobox, where technology meets emotion. In today's tech-driven world, connecting on a deeper level is more important than ever, and the creators of AI Holobox understand this perfectly. They've designed a gadget that's all about sparking endless conversations and meaningful interactions. So, what exactly is AI Holobox? Think of it as your personal smart assistant, powered by advanced AI algorithms. But here's the exciting part. It's also a gateway to a mesmerizing world of holograms, all without the need for special glasses. Whether it's showcasing stunning visuals or reliving your favorite moments through uploaded videos, AI Holobox brings your experiences to life in a whole new dimension. And the best part, it's as portable as a water bottle, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, this tech marvel ensures that captivating conversations and immersive experiences are always within reach. Ready to add a touch of magic to your everyday interactions? Get your hands on the AI Holobox for just $180 and embark on a journey where technology and emotion collide. Introducing the Rubber Band Gun, a compact shooter that packs a punch. With 6 rubber band shots and a range of about 6 meters, it's perfect for some quick and exciting fun. Plus, its pocket-sized design makes it super convenient to carry around wherever you go. While it's a hit with kids, we have a hunch that adults will also find some office amusement with this nifty gadget. Whether you're looking to relieve stress or simply have a blast, the Rubber Band Gun promises endless entertainment. And the best part, you get the gun along with 100 rubber bands, all for just $15. So why wait? Grab yours today and get ready for some action-packed fun. Say hello to the Anx Table, the ultimate table for screen enthusiasts. If you can't seem to get enough screens in your life, then the $900 Anx Table is here to fulfill your desires. With enough space to comfortably seat up to 6 people, this table takes entertainment to a whole new level. Equipped with a touchscreen featuring 4K support and dual stereo speakers, the Anx Table adds an exciting element to any gathering. With 8 GB of RAM included, you can enjoy lag-free video and audio playback, creating an immersive experience for everyone. And that's not all. With 128 GB of built-in memory, you can build a robust library of movies and music, ensuring endless entertainment options. Plus, the Anx Table can be rotated and connected to a game console through its USB and HDMI connectors, taking your gaming experience to new heights. With the Anx Table, you won't ever want to leave the table. Meet Napillo, your ultimate solution for catching some Z's anytime, anywhere. Whether your neighbor is making a racket, or you're struggling to snooze on a plane, train, or in a car, Napillo has got you covered. It's a genius combination of noise-canceling earmuffs and a plush neck pillow. Simply slip it on, and suddenly the world around you gets 35 decibels quieter, while your neck gets the comfort it craves. Priced at just $49, Napillo also comes with a bonus sleep mask for added relaxation. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to sweet dreams with Napillo. Introducing the KIVI Pro. Priced at $169, this isn't your ordinary telescope, it's a powerhouse of features. According to its creators, it's capable of recording stunning 4K videos that you can effortlessly share via Wi-Fi or a wired connection. But wait, there's more. You can connect your smartphone to edit the footage, and it even doubles as a high-quality photo or video camera. With time-lapse and panoramic modes, capturing breathtaking moments has never been easier. Equipped with a 10x optical and digital zoom, it can magnify up to 2.3 times, bringing distant objects closer than ever before. Get ready to explore the cosmos and capture unforgettable memories with the KIVI Pro. Introducing the Got Robotic Kit. Whether you're into drones, boats, or even a Boston Dynamics robotic dog, this kit lets you bring your robotic dreams to life. It's an advanced system that guarantees endless fun and creativity. Syncing seamlessly with ChatGPT, these robots can be customized and programmed using visual or Python programming. From orchestrating a techno ballet to any other imaginative project you have in mind, these robots can handle it all. The starting model of the Got Robotic Kit is priced at $349, offering incredible value for the endless possibilities it unlocks. Get ready to unleash your inner engineer and explore the world of robotics like never before. Check out Ergo. Originally aiming for a $2,000 goal on Kickstarter, this project exceeded all expectations by raising over $95,000. Backers were captivated by Ergo's innovative features. This versatile device serves as a neck heater, fan, light, speaker, and wireless microphone all in one. It can heat up to 60 degrees Celsius and offers adjustable brightness and color temperature for the light. With a full battery, Ergo can last up to 32 hours. Now you can get your hands on Ergo for just $59. Don't miss out on this amazing deal for a multifunctional gadget that's sure to enhance your daily life. Check out Gearsvibe. This puzzle is absolutely amazing, having raised over $61,000 on Kickstarter. It consists of 627 metal and glass pieces that combine to form a glowing, high-tech spider. With movable joints and a plasma lamp that lights up in a stunning display, this puzzle is sure to captivate anyone who loves a good challenge. Just be prepared. Assembling it will take you around 6 hours. You can get your hands on this incredible puzzle for just $79. It's a small price to pay for hours of fun and an impressive finished product that will leave you feeling accomplished. Introducing the Mini Crossbow V20, a true masterpiece of metal craftsmanship. Although it may look like a child's toy at first glance, this crossbow is anything but. It's capable of firing not only 2G mini arrows, but also 4mm diameter steel balls. The trigger design has been recently updated, enhancing the shooting experience and making it easier to reload. Plus, you'll get 50 mini arrows and 2 spare crossbow strings included with your purchase. For just around $130, you can own this exceptional piece of weaponry and experience the thrill of precision shooting like never before. Introducing Bright Lock. With the rise in bicycle theft during the COVID-19 pandemic due to a shortage of bikes, Bright Lock offers a solution to keep your ride safe. It doubles as a sturdy U-shaped lock for parking and transforms into front and rear lights during rides. No need to worry about rain, it's ready to work in any weather. Many cyclists have already secured theirs on Kickstarter for just $85. Protect your bike and light up your rides with Bright Lock.